Hello friends. So there are these books that I found because I subscribe to academia.edu. Maybe they are all free books. Very interesting books. I think if anybody has interest, you can also subscribe and get these books. So this is one interesting book which I'll tell you the title: The Zodiac in Our Genes. Rachmond Howard. And we have these topics, Chimera Kaleidoscope, Orion Cluster, Aztec Civilization, Jaguar, Northern Celestial Door, the Baal Monster, then the Magic Rectangle, the Goat, Sheep, Fish, and the Sacrificed Lamb. Now this Sacrificed Lamb, what I have decoded is the junction between Sagittarius and Capricorn, because there is a goat fish, and Capricorn is an ancient thing. It is like the half fish, half goat kind of a thing. And it is also in Vedic, it is Uttarashada. Uttarashada is Ganesh. Now the thing with Ganesh is that he was a small boy who was guarding the door when Shiva or Orion came to him. He was guarding the door to Kali or mother goddess, and he did not recognize that Shiva is husband of Kali. Even though Shiva told, I am the husband, he did not allow. And then what happened was Shiva or Orion cut the head of Ganesha, which is actually this Capricorn goat. And then he installed another head, which is the elephant head. So depending upon the culture, it is slightly different. So for Western, Inuit, South American and all, it is like goat, sheep and lamb and all that. Whereas for Indian Vedic, it is the elephant god Ganesha. Then of course, this book also talks about the phoenix, its symbolism with different cultures. It also talks about the Batman in the Bible. It's so interesting. I found that it is written that Batman is like the Noah. The day of the Horus Falcon, the great bow and arrow, Ra's ship of millions of years, the Venus Lady, Angel Man, and the false beard representation in the British Isles. What is this one eye? Mysterious eye. She was the daughter of Ai, stepmother to Tutankhamun. Is the name of Nefertiti. May have been joined to Ka to give Tika, which is actually in Hindu or Indian is also Tika. Tika is something which you put on the forehead, right where just in front of the third eye. So this Tika is, now I'm getting it, it's an Egyptian word, it's not an Indian word. Perhaps it is the rib woman life idea that is being played within the biblical story of Adam and Eve, where Eve is brought to life from the rib of Adam. Three false Orion belt stars. Alternatively, the single eye has to do with the Phoenix's single eye, namely the star Antares. Okay, let me open Stellarium. So here, Sin, moon is called Sin. So that means in Babylonia. So that means sin is not sin. Sin means moon. So we are born into sin, and all those things have come from this. Now you can see that Orion, Betelgeuse, all this is giant man in Western lore. But actually in the Babylonian, let's see. See, it is the shepherd of Anu. And also we have the seven cluster, the seven gods. If you see the in Egyptian, this giant is Orion is actually a wizard. See, this is the wizard's cap, and this is his magic wand. So we have been under this Babylonian Egyptian kind of a system since ages. This wizard or vizier. If you see this, this is Aztec. And we have the scorpion face. We have this. So not many constellations in the Aztec, but a very interesting one. So let me go back to the books. So I will share one more book. So this is the Alchemy of Alphabets. I made a video last year on the alchemy. I said that the alphabets are related to the constellations without actually reading any of these books. With my own intuition, sixth sense, and all that. So this is also a very interesting book, Alchemy of Alphabets, runes, and alphabet calendars as rosaries, astronomy and calendars, the hieroglyphic alphabet, Phoenician, Hebrew, Kabbalah, tarot. So basically, whatever is there in this world right now, everything is astrology or astrotheology. So unless we have a good idea of these things, we may not be able to decode or understand what is going on in the background. because everything is related to the calendars. The rituals which are done by the negative entities are related to the calendars. They use the symbol magic, hieroglyphic alphabet, the Phoenician, Egyptian. So we need to understand all this. So this is one more interesting book. So this is 12,000 BC. And as you can see, Hercules is on uh, Draco or Kalia. So Hercules is Herculesha and Vega is the pole star. See, Vega is the pole star. And as you can see, Draco is the pole star. Kochab, all these are near north. So that's why the dark age or the Kali Yuga was this time. And in around 15, 16,000 BC, it was Cygnus, the Hamsa or the swan. So swan means again, it is related to Ramayana. So Vedic was much ancient than people think. So based on the pole star calculations, is that, I say these things. Thank you, friends.